Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 10 of season 2. We are doing a detailed tutorial of this design, then we'll go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode, which will be episode 11. So make sure you watch to the end so that you know exactly what we'll be doing in episode 11. And let's get right into the video. But before we get into the video, if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And if you're old, thank you so much for coming back. You're always welcome. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe. And let's start. I'm using white pearls and wine. I'm using 2 needles. I've put a needle at each end of the thread, and I'm using 2 different sizes of seed bead, a small and a big seed bead. So I went ahead to pick 1 small seed bead and I cross threaded just like so. So this is what you should have at this point. We've not really done anything, but I just cross threaded 1 of the small seed bead. Then I went ahead to pin it down so that you know exactly what is going on as we move on. Yeah. Once that was done, I went ahead to pick 3 seed bead, 3 large seed bead. Let's be specific. 3 large seed bead on the right thread. So that's 3, and I picked 1 pearl, 1 white pearl. Then I went ahead to do the same on the left needle. So I used the left, you push it all the way down. I used the left needle, pick 3 seed beads, then 1 pearl. Then I went ahead to cross thread with 1 small seed bead. So you pick it on any of the threads, just like so. Then the other one goes through it through the opposite direction, just like so. So basically that's what we are doing. I'm going to pick 3 again, 3 seed bead. This time I'm using the wine. So 3 seed bead on the right, 1 wine pearl. Then 3 seed bead on the left, 1 wine pearl. Then I went ahead to cross thread with 1 small seed bead. So not to bore you with too much talking, just watch closely. It's very simple. We are just going to repeat the process till we get to the length we want. Very simple. Then we'll come back again and finish it up. So once I got to the length I want, I went ahead to get rid of the needles and I picked 1, 2, 3. So 3 seed bead on the left, 3 seed bead on the right thread. I'm using the large seed bead. So 3 on the left, 3 on the right, and I put the 2 threads together and I picked 2 seed beads, 2 large seed beads on both thread. Just like so. And I went ahead to add 1 more pearl, just like so. I'm using these gold stoppers here. They are metallic in nature. In case you are new to beading, they are called stoppers. So I'm going to put 2 of my stoppers on both thread. So the 2 threads together. Then I pass my stoppers through. So once that was done, I went ahead to add a locker. This is how it looks like. It didn't really show much here, but you will surely see it. That's what we use to lock the bracelet. Then I let the locker go and I pass my thread back through the stoppers and through the pearl. So you pull your work all the way down, and this is what we have at this point. So I went ahead to do the other side. Remember we started with a small seed bead, right? Yeah, so I'm trying to pass my thread through that particular seed bead. It wasn't really going, so I had to use a needle. So once I go through it, I just got rid of the needle, and I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier. So I'm going to put 3 seed bead on the left, 3 seed bead on the right. Then I put the 2 ends together and I pass the 2 threads through 2 seed beads. Then I put the 2 ends together just like I said earlier. Then I put 2 more seed beads on it. Then a pearl. We go ahead and add some stoppers and finish it up. So 2 stoppers. Then there is the other pair of the locker, so I'm going to put it on it. I'm passing the 2 threads through it. Then you let the locker go and pass your thread back through the stoppers and the pearl. So I went ahead to measure if it was the length I wanted. Mind you, I didn't press the stoppers. In case you want to change anything, you can do it safely if you don't press the stoppers up to this point. But once you press the stoppers, your work is done. If you want to do any changes, then the whole work has to be ruined. So if you are comfortable with the length and everything you've done so far, you go ahead and press the stoppers very hard, but make sure your work is tight and firm. So I went ahead to press the stoppers with my flat nose. Pressing it very hard. I prefer to use my 2 hands because I feel the one hand doesn't get a glimpse of it well. So I'm pressing the other side also. And once that was done, I went ahead to get rid of the excess thread. And guys, I present to you episode 10. This is all about episode 10. I believe it was very, very easy and very, very simple. Now the question is how much, sorry, my voice. The question is how much are we going to sell this beautiful bracelet here? Let me know in the comment section how much you think we should sell it. I think we should sell it 20 cedis is fine, which is about $4. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section how much you think we should sell this gorgeous here, and let's welcome episode 11. Guys, so this is what we are doing, episode 11. If you have watched up to this point, then I believe you enjoyed the video, so make sure you please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 11 is out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you in episode 11. Bye.